Hello guys. Welcome my channel. This channel about car price, car news update, car interior and exterior, car detail review and all automotive the world. Please subscribe this channel, like and comment. Thanks you. Don't worry, we've got answers to some of them. When we drove the V12 Speedster earlier in the year, we were told that the windshield-free lightweight's underbody structure effectively combined the front end of the DBS Superleggera with the rear of the Vantage Roadster. We can safely presume the V12 Vantage is based on the same underpinnings, and uses what will likely be a similarly brawny version of the company's twin-turbocharged 5.2-liter V12 engine. Let's hope it's in the same 690 horsepower state of tune. Aston boss Tobias Moers has previously confirmed that the V12 doesn't have a long-term future for the brand, which is set to switch entirely to AMG-sourced powertrains. The official releases line about a final edition suggests that the Vantage could mark the end of the road for the venerable motor, which although heavily revised and turbocharged when the DB11 was launched in 2016 is still closely related to the V12 developed when Ford owned the brand and launched it in 1999. Using this same sonorous power plant, the last V12 Vantage was always one of the highlights of the range, combining a 510 horsepower naturally aspirated V12 engine with a manual gearbox, a combination that was only slightly less exotic in 2010 than it appears now. Sadly, there seems to be no chance of Aston repeating the combination, with insiders having told CD that the current V8 powered Vantage will be the last car the company offers with the option of a clutch pedal. We're pretty sure the last V12 Vantage's $181,000 price tag will seem like an outrageous bargain when compared to the figure being asked for the new car. Not that we're complaining about the chance to experience one of Aston's greatest hits for a final time. We look forward to being able to tell you more. Thank you for watching this channel, wait for the next video and don't forget to like, comments and subscribe.